Hi there, it's Ellie from Elfsight. Let's build your pop-up widget and install it on your website with no coding in less than 2 minutes. Let's jump in and see how it works. Go to elfsight.com and open the Widgets menu. Find the pop-up widget, then click Create Widget to open the live editor. From here, you can start building your widget right away. Start by choosing a template. This will define the basic look of your pop-up. Now let's explore the editor and see what you can customize. In the Builder section, you can edit everything inside your pop-up. Change the text, buttons, images, and even generate a complete design with the AI pop-up generator. Next, open the Layout tab. Here you decide how your pop-up appears on the page, as a modal window, a side panel, or a bar at the top or bottom. Also, you can adjust its size. Customize the Reopen button, the backdrop, and the Close button to perfectly fit your design. And in Settings, you'll find powerful options to control when and how often your pop-up shows. For example, on page load, after a delay, or when a user is about to leave. There are plenty of ways to make your pop-up look and behave exactly how you want, all without touching a single line of code. Once everything looks perfect, click Add to Website. Next, sign up or log in to your account. Click Publish, then choose the free or paid plan to continue. You'll see a pop-up with your installation code. Click Copy Code. You can install the widget on your website. If you need more detailed instructions, check out our tutorials with step-by-step guides for each platform. Your widget can also be shared via a direct link. If you'd prefer not to set it up yourself, simply ask for a free installation from our support team. We'll take care of all the technical steps and make sure your widget is up and running. Open your website's admin panel. Find the template that loads on all pages. This is usually something like footer, theme, layout, or a global custom code section. Locate the area where you can add custom code. Paste your floating widget installation code there, preferably before the closing tag. Save your changes, and that's it! Your pop-up widget is ready for visitors. All set in just a few minutes. Enjoyed the video? Support Elfsight. Like, subscribe, and ask us anything in the comments. We'd love to hear from you.